Gamma ray bursts now turns out to be the largest explosions in the universe. They occur about once a day. At the time we flew BATSI on the Gamma Ray Observatory, they were a complete mystery. People had no idea what they were. All they knew is that from different parts of the sky, they would see these tremendous flashes of gamma rays coming from different directions. They only lasted from a fraction of a second to several minutes. But during this time, they were brighter than all the other objects in the sky in the gamma ray part of the spectrum, including the sun. We didn't even know how far away they were. We didn't know if they were in the solar system. We didn't know if they were in our galaxy or in some other distant galaxy. Well, it turns out, due to the observations of BATSI and the Italian-Dutch satellite, Beppo-SAX, we determined that the gamma ray bursts were coming from the farthest reaches of the universe. In fact, they were the most distant objects known, much, much further than people ever thought they were when GRO was launched. Ever since I was a boy in grade school, I liked or loved science. I had a large chemistry laboratory in the basement of my home in St. Louis, where I grew up. Then, of course, I went on to get a degree in physics and then a PhD in space science. What gives me the most reward is actually making progress in a field of science. My own particular field is gamma ray astrophysics. Coming up with a new finding and then publishing that finding or presenting it at a scientific meeting or conference really gives me the greatest pleasure. Now that I'm a more senior scientist, I enjoy seeing the younger students starting out in their careers in astrophysics and giving papers at conferences and publishing papers in the field. This now gives me a lot of pleasure, and I enjoy mentoring these younger scientists that will take our place when we're no longer here. I was completely amazed, surprised, and honored to receive the Shaw Prize in Astronomy. I'm looking forward to receiving the Shaw Prize along with its medal in Hong Kong at the end of September.